Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my August Boxycharm unboxing. I look a little crazy right now because I am letting my hair air dry, and I thought since I was gonna go ahead and get ready, I might as well go ahead and just do my unboxing and try out the products that we got for this month. Before we get into the box, I just want to explain Boxycharm again. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription site where you get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size products, and the retail value is usually over $100. But yeah, and I do have a link with a referral code down below if you want to check it out for yourself. It is totally worth the $21 a month. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and check out what we got in this month's box and put it on our face. Okay, so I did go ahead and already open it just to make sure I didn't apply anything on my face that was already in the box, so we can try it out. But the first thing I'm going to take out is this card, and the theme of this month is totally Boxycharm. And of course you just get all the products and the prices. The first thing in the box that I'm gonna take out is by Wander Beauty, and this is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And this retails for $42, which is already double the price of your box, which is kind of pricey, but I do like Wander Beauty. I've only tried them from Boxycharm, but all the products I have tried I do really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I do have oily skin, but ooh, this is pretty. I do have oily skin, but I have been getting some dry spots, so I think this will be okay. It doesn't feel like oily or anything, and it really absorbs into your skin. Okay, so I went ahead and just did my foundation and concealer off camera, but now I'm gonna set it. And we did get a powder, like a translucent powder, in this month's box, and this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And this retails for $39, and I'm so excited that I got this because I heard really good things about it and I've been wanting to try it. It's supposed to have like a wet cooling feel to it. So yeah, it says to keep me close, to keep me cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and set our face and our under eyes. Oh wow, that's so weird. It feels really wet and cooling, which is perfect for the summertime. Okay, so I actually really like the powder. It looks really natural. It feels so like weird when you use it with like a brush. It feels like you're like wetting, like your brush is wet and you're applying powder. But it does feel really cooling, and I actually really enjoy that, especially during this heat. Okay, the next two things, because they're the exact same thing, it's from Ace Beauty, and it's the Glimmer Shadow Duo, and these retail for $25, and I'm pretty sure that's for both of them because it's a duo. This shade is called Cotton Candy, and it's just like a pinky gold shadow. And then this one is Iced Latte, which is just like a bronzy gold. Okay, so just my first impression, it is super creamy, and look how pigmented that is. Like, that is super pigmented. I'm not really sure what kind of eye look I'm gonna use. I don't think I'm gonna use them both, just because I just don't think they would go together. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this process, and then see, I'll be back and let you know what I think. So I just tapped it on the middle of my lid and then just spread it across the rest. And this shade is really pretty. It's really shimmery and pigmented, which, you know, is not bad. So I went ahead and finished doing a wing liner, and the next thing in the box is actually for the lashes, and it is the Tarte Big Eagle Mascara, which retails for $23. And I'm so happy I got this because I'm running low on mascara, and I've actually been wanting to try this one because I heard really good things and I really like this packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out and then pop on some lashes, and I'll be back with the last thing in the box.
Go back home, go. Spend it all alone. You should go back home.
Okay, so you probably can't really tell because my liner's a little thick today, but I can tell, and I actually think I am going to like this mascara. I really like the brush on it, like it's really thick, and it's not like too wet or too dry of a formula. It's like, it's like the perfect formula. Okay, and then to finish off our look is lips. And the last thing in my box is actually a lip liner, and this is by Steve Laurent, and this retails for $15. And the shade I got is in Chic, and it is a wooden lip pencil. So we're just gonna go ahead and line and fill our lips in with this, and I'll let you know what I think.
That's where you belong. Here I am. Know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand. I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go. Spend it all.
Okay, so I like it, but it's not my favorite. It's such a pretty like nude, your lips but better color, but it's a little drying, and my lips are already kind of dry as it is, so it's kind of hard to apply. But I think if like I put like a balm on prior, like hours before, it would probably work better. But it's not the worst lip pencil in the world. So that concludes everything in the August Boxycharm. My total retail value of everything I got in the box came out to $144, which is so crazy, like I say every month, because you are only paying $21 a month. I think everything in the box besides the lip liner was over the price of the box. So I just think that's so crazy how you get a $39 powder and other things for only $21. I recommend Boxycharm not only because it's affordable and you get full-size products, but also because they do send you some products with brands that I never heard about, and you get to try out new things. But yeah, again, I do have a link and a referral code down below in the description box if you want to check it out and try it out for yourself. But yeah, that concludes my August Boxycharm first impressions video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you all in my next one.
You should go back.